Hi guys, I'm Elvis and welcome to Chill Beans YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about my custom built bike rack versus a real road car accident. I've always wondered how my custom built bike rack would fare in a car accident. Turns out my wish came true and someone bumped into me with their vehicle when I was returning home from a bike ride. Luckily it wasn't a major accident and no one got hurt, but as you can see the bike suffered most damage. If you look at the vertical rack, there is not much damage to it other than the horizontal lower bar getting bent, and this is easily fixable. In fact, this rack created a very good barrier that left my car unscathed. There was not a single scratch on it thanks to this rack. Of course there was a damage to the bike, but that was all covered by the insurance of the liable party. As you can see, when the bike was hit, the pressure from the impact ripped the ropes I used and kicked the bike out of the hoop. Therefore I would always recommend using a very strong rope to tie the bike to the rack. So in retrospect, vertical bike racks can provide some pretty good protection for your car in the case of rear-end collision, but they also place your bike in the direct line of impact. The advantage of these vertical bike racks is that they are much easier and quicker to use than the roof-mounted racks, especially with heavier bikes or e-bikes. But obviously the disadvantage is that if you have an accident, your bike will get damaged a lot more than if it was on the roof. And obviously that depends on the nature of the accident. And if your bike gets damaged, you will then need to rely on the insurance to cover the costs of repair or replacement of your bike. Even though it was an inconvenience having to chase insurance for a new bike and being without a bike for a few weeks, I still think that these vertical bike racks are great and suitable for most situations. So I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to post a comment and see you next time.